Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these super cute collapsible straws that I have here. They are so adorable. They're like this mermaid metallic thing going on. I love that it comes with the silicone topper here. Each straw comes with a little cleaner to tuck inside so that it's convenient and easy to clean on the go, which is absolutely great. The little case is super cute as well. They come in different colors. This is such a cute light blue, almost like a seafoam blue. And then it has the option where you can add on a little keychain if you want to use it like that. It comes with different toppers as well, which is nice. And then there are a few different color cases that they each come with straws in it, which is awesome too. This one's a silver one, and this one here is a black one with a silver straw. So definitely recommend these. I love them. I think it's so nice to be able to throw in your bag and keep on you, so you're not having to use disposable straws, or if you're like me and just forget to ask for a straw, you don't have to worry about that because you have one on your keyring or in your bag. So these are awesome. I definitely recommend them, and that is my point of view.